Alright, this is going to be our Forest River Aurora, the 16BHX. We're going to start with a walk around. It does come with JBL sound speakers on the outside and the inside. You have your city water connection right there. It does come with a black tank flush. Going down, this is going to be a 30 amp service. It does come with a tankless hot water heater as well. LED lights that run up and down the sides of the front caps. Big awning right over the door, right over here. Okay, going in, this is going to be the bed area with additional storage across the top. Dinette to be your kitchen area. Everything in here is going to be GE, including the microwave, stove, and fridge. So all major appliances. Going into the bathroom. Toilet's right there. A little bit of extra soap space right there. That's actually how they leave it from the factory. That way it doesn't fall when you're in traffic. It does have a vent, 12-volt vent fan in here as well. What makes this one really cool is you have the bunks in the corner, which that top one does support up to 300 pounds. Right under here, that's removable, and you'll have access to your crawl through storage right there. Some additional storage right in here. And that was that access panel that I told you at the bottom there. And this is the 16BHX. Thank you.